Welcome to the extraordinary world of luxury manufacturing. In a high-tech facility dedicated to pushing the limits of craftsmanship, a team of skilled engineers and technicians is about to create something truly exceptional. A solid gold iPhone 17, carved from a single block of pure gold. This is not just a smartphone. This is a masterpiece of precision engineering, where ancient precious metal meets cutting-edge technology. Join us as we follow the complete journey from raw material to finished luxury device. It all begins here with a massive block of pure, solid gold. Weighing heavily in the hands of experienced technicians, this raw material is first carefully inspected for purity, density, and any microscopic imperfections. Every surface is examined under bright lights and precision measuring tools. The block is cleaned, secured firmly onto the CNC bed, and programmed with exact digital blueprints. Unlike mass-produced phones made from aluminum or titanium, this solid gold creation demands absolute perfection from the very first step. The weight, shine, the value, everything about this material sets it apart. Now, the heart of the process begins. Advanced CNC machines roar to life. High-speed spindles and diamond-tipped cutters attack the solid gold block with incredible accuracy. Layer by layer, excess material is removed as the machine carves the iconic iPhone 17 frame. The side buttons, the precise curves of the edges, the flat back, every dimension is controlled down to fractions of a millimeter. Robotic arms assist in flipping and repositioning the piece for multi-axis machining. Watch as the rough shape of the luxury smartphone slowly emerges from the gold. Sparks and fine gold shavings fly, but the process remains remarkably clean thanks to advanced cooling and extraction systems. This stage alone can take hours as the machine works patiently to bring the designer's vision to life in solid gold. Special attention is given to the most complex areas. The camera module housing requires ultra-precise contours to accommodate the advanced multi-lens array. Separate CNC operations cut the exact recesses and alignments needed for the sensors and flash. Internal chambers for components are also machined at this stage. The gold is unforgiving. Any mistake here would be extremely costly. But with state-of-the-art programming and skilled oversight, the technicians ensure flawless results. The emerging piece now clearly shows the signature iPhone design, gleaming even in its unfinished state. Once the primary machining is complete, the piece moves to the finishing stations. Expert polishers and automated systems work in sequence to refine every surface. Rough edges are smoothed, corners are rounded to perfection, and a mirror-like polish brings out the rich, warm glow of pure gold. The device then undergoes ultrasonic deep cleaning to remove any microscopic particles or residues. This ensures a completely pristine surface before assembly. The transformation is stunning. What was once a raw block now looks like a jewel. The polished gold frame now enters the assembly phase. A premium high-resolution display is carefully aligned and fitted. Internal components, motherboard, battery, speakers, and connectors are installed with surgical precision, maintaining the structural beauty of the solid gold body. Every unit then goes through rigorous quality control. Dimensional accuracy is verified with laser scanners. Surface finish is inspected under magnification. Functionality tests ensure the device performs perfectly. Only those that meet the highest luxury standards are approved. Finally, the completed solid gold iPhone 17 is carefully packaged in elegant, premium materials worthy of its status. It is now ready for its new owner, a collector, a VIP, or anyone who appreciates the absolute pinnacle of luxury technology. From a solid block of pure gold to this breathtaking smartphone, the entire process showcases the perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship values and modern industrial precision. This is more than a phone. It's a statement, a symbol of excellence in manufacturing and timeless luxury. Thank you for watching this exclusive look inside the solid gold iPhone 17 factory. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible manufacturing documentaries. Until next time, stay inspired by the art of making the extraordinary.